You are welcome. This is Master Lucas Academy. Now, this is a given problem here. They said a beam of light is incident from air to water at an angle of 30 degrees. Find the angle of refraction if the refractive index of water is 4/3. Now, from what we call refraction, we have something like this. So the light that is coming from outside, then through this particular angle here, which is 30 degree. So this is our incident ray coming from here. Then it happens that it gets here, then from here it emerge. Okay, so from this particular one that we have here, if you look at it carefully, this is our refracted ray in this place. Now, from this question, what is the possible formula that we can use there? So since it is passing through the what we call the prism in this place, now the formula we are going to use here is the sine I, which is the angle of incidence, over sine r, which is angle of refraction, equals to n. That is the formula we are going to use there. So the sine I, which is from the incident ray, is given to be 30. That is sine 30 over sine r. That is what we are looking for. Sine r, then equals to, you are given the refractive index. So the refractive index of water, so this n here represents the refractive index, which is 4 over what? Over 3. We are not done yet. So what are we going to do next? Cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you are going to have 3 sine 30 degree. Then this will go for this, equals to 4 sine r. That is what we are going to have there. Now, from what we have in this place, what are we going to do next? Since we are looking for this one, just divide both sides by what? By 4. When you divide both sides by 4, you are going to have sine r equals to 3 sine 30 degree over what? Over 4. Now, from what we have here, what will be the value of sine 30? So the value of sine 30 is 0.5. That will be sine r equals to 3 times 0.5 divided by 4. So when you multiply the value here by 3, this will give you sine r equals to 1.5 divided by 4. So 1.5 divided by 4 will give you the value of 0.375. So what are we going to do next? You look for the sine inverse. The sine inverse, so which is going to be r equals to sine inverse of what? Of 0.375. So r now is equivalent to 22.02 degree. That is what we are going to have there. So that means the angle of refraction in the question is what? Is 22 degree. Thank you. Please make sure you subscribe on my YouTube channel. Also share my video and like my video. I remain Master Lucas. Thank you.